Hello everyone, so today in this video I'll be covering the review of USB-C to USB adapter from Apple. So as you guys know, every MacBook Pro uses Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, and if you guys have more of devices which uses USB, so as you can see in picture, so you use this adapter and connect it to any other normal USB cable. So let's go ahead and open this box and see what's inside. So I really like the packing and how exactly you can open it, so it's pretty neat. So just remove this one, just open this. So let's see what we have in the box. This is what you got in the box. You might have some manuals. That would be funny to have manuals for the cable. Oh yeah, I think it's just the details and all that stuff. So yeah, that's what you get in the box as well. Nothing else. So let's put it back here and see how exactly it looks like. So here you have USB-C adapter. That's how you connect your USB. It's pretty good and looks solid. So let's just take it out and remove this. So yeah, this is the USB-C to USB adapter. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time.